Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some barbecue chicken thighs on our new Pit Boss Pro Series 1150. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so here we have our chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. Now the rub we're going to be using is, of course, from Killer's Hogs, the barbecue rub. One of the best barbecue rubs there is out there. So make sure you guys check that link in the description if you guys want to try one of the best rubs out there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and add some rub to this chicken thighs. All right, so we have it. We're gonna put a nice coat on all of these. And do not be afraid to add a rub. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these bad boys over and do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna add our nice little rub. All right, here we have it. The barbecue sauce that we're going to be using today is going to be from Lane's. It's one of my favorite barbecue sauces out there. But also, if you're going to go ahead to the Killer Hog site, they also have barbecue sauce. It's really good. I got one of those and it was gone real quick, so I need to get some more of that. But there you have it. Remember, when you're adding your rub on your meat, tap it. Don't rub it. Just a little tap. So there we have it. All right, now we're going to transfer these into one of these grates here to make the transportation of them a lot more easier. So just like that. All right, so how are we gonna cook these? We're gonna turn on our Pit Boss to 275 degrees. We're looking about maybe an hour, but I will be checking on them at 30 minutes just to see where they're at. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is at 275. We'll put it right in there. And we'll be back when it hits 165 internal. All right, it's been an hour and 30 minutes. And there it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out and put them in this bowl and add the barbecue sauce. Also, we're going to turn up the temperature of the grill to 400 degrees so we can get that flame up. So while we wait, we're going to be adding this pineapple chipotle. Love this sauce. We're just going to go ahead and add it all in there. Look at that. That looks delicious. All right. So once this grill hits 400 degrees, we're gonna open it up and then cook it over flames. All right, our Pit Boss is at 400. Go ahead and open this up. And now we're gonna open up our little compartment there. Just like that. Now we're gonna put this right on top of that. I'm going to do a couple flips. Yeah. We'll be back. All right, guys, we are back, and this looks great. Before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so let me get a piece, and my God, this looks good. Oh, I like that charred look, and I love a charred taste, especially on chicken thighs. And here is one of the knives you get from Killer Hogs, How to Barbecue Right. If you go to their site, link in the description for their rub, all their knives that they have, and so far, it's a really good knife. Check them out. Oh man, looks great. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Wow. We decided to go with the pineapple chipotle from Lane's. Also be a link in the description, but this pineapple has a nice little hint of pineapple, a little bit of chipotle to it. So far, one of the best chicken thighs I've made. All because of the stuff that the Pit Boss brings to the table. Being able to cook this over fire, if you also want to, one of the many perks of having a Pit Boss. This was great. Hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time.